everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you all how I created this soft cut crease eye makeup with double liner. I'm taking a concealer and applying it as an eye primer. I'm taking a brown shade and creating a crease line. Now, using a black shade, I'm creating an outer V. I'm again taking a concealer and applying it on eyelid. I'm taking the golden shade and applying on eyelid where I applied concealer. I'm using a gel eyeliner to draw a wing and using the same as kajal. Thank you for watching. Hope you all liked the video. Please do give a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.